Hello everyone, I am going to unbox my Shopee haul for today, and it's really a nice product that I purchased from Shopee. Here we go. I won't show the package because it has my address, but here it is. This is a set of clips that I need for my sketchbook. Super glue for also by Deli, so it's the same brand Deli that I need for my resin projects. And this one right here is what I'm really most excited about because it's actually a sharpener for my pencils. So if you don't know, I did an unboxing video of my charcoal painting set. So right now I am studying charcoal painting, and of course, since I'd be using so many pencils for that purpose, I have purchased this this sharpener. I bought it at 358 pesos. I will put the link in the description box below. And what I love about this sharpener is that it has this what you call this, you can set the length of the lead once it's sharpened. So this one has the longest lead and that one has the shortest. Let me just demonstrate that in a bit. Right, so let's now demonstrate how to sharpen the pencil using this table sharpener or desk sharpener. Okay, pencil sharpener. Okay, so let's start with my soft charcoal pencil, and let me set that at the longest okay, highest number here. Okay, and let's put that in and let's start sharpening. So I sharpen by just rotating the crank here. Okay, and we'll see in a bit how that looks like. And here you go, it's the longest. Okay, and I love that I don't need to use the cutter in my set in order to sharpen my charcoal pencil. See that? Let's put that right there, and let's start with, and let's now do sharpen or my this one is hard, and let's put that at this level, the next one. Okay, and let's rotate the crank. I think that is going to be therapeutic also. And let's pull that out. How do we pull that out? Okay, just put that out. Sorry about that. And see, this is also long. Let's compare. Okay, that one, the soft charcoal is longer in terms of the length. So apologies for that. My middle part of the video got cut off while I was explaining the differences in terms of the length of the lead or the charcoal exposed once you adjust this crank. So let me just resume with how pointy, look at that, how pointy the pencils are without actually destroying the wood and exposing the charcoal inside in at this pointy shape, right? I like that it did not destroy the sharpener did not destroy my charcoal. So that's one thing that's really important, especially for those who are into charcoal painting and sketching. All right, so let me just demonstrate the other. Let's see, I will sharpen my other pencils. One of the pencils that I use a lot is my 6B. So let me just sharpen that using the Deli Sharpener. And this is at the second to the lowest size. let's see. Okay, there you go. See, it's very neat. The sharpened pencil looks neat. None of the roughness that I observe when I am using ordinary sharpeners, which is something that I really like about this sharpener. Let's try the lowest in this crank and sharpen my 8B. One of the pencils that I use a lot when I am sketching portraits and landscapes. Okay. And then gently pull it out like that. And it's like that. See? It's neat. I love how neatly it sharpens my pencils. So there you have it. These are my 6B pencils and my charcoal pencils that I love using for my sketches. So is this a bang for your buck? It definitely is, because I bought it at only $358 and it's able to sharpen even the softest charcoal that I have in my set of pencils. So that's what I love about it. So yeah, but since I sharpen this long, my soft pencil, my soft charcoal, I'm gonna be careful when I'm sketching because, you know, this is very soft. As you charcoal painters out there, charcoal sketchers out there know perfectly well. Okay, so that's all for now. Goodbye. Stay safe and healthy in this pandemic. Oh, by the way, if you want to purchase this, don't worry. I'm gonna put the Shopee link or the link to the Shopee store where I got this one, so that you will be able to buy it also for your pencils. If you also need you know, materials like stuff for your crafting and journaling, that store also have this nice clips. For example, I'm gonna make my own sketchbook for my watercolor and charcoal, and I'm gonna use this to hold the pages together whenever I am sketching. That's why I got this one, and it's really cheap, 6 pieces for I think about $100. So it's really cheap. So these are the finds that I love from that store, and I hope that I was able to explain how to use especially this one, this sharpener. This is super sulit. This is bang for your buck. Okay, bye for now.